Hello! In this 1-minute Prolog lesson, let's look at something very powerful, bidirectional computation. We use a simple predicate, append/3. In most programming languages, append is a function. You give two lists, and it returns a result. For example, append 1, 2, and 3, 4 gives you 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty normal, right? But in Prolog, things are different. You can also run it backwards. What if we ask, what two lists can be appended to make 1, 2, 3? Prolog will search for all possible answers. It gives an empty list and 1, 2, 3, or 1 and 2, 3, or 1, 2 and 3, or 1, 2, 3, and an empty list. This is not just a function. It's a relation. Append/3 describes a relationship between lists, not a one-way computation. That's why Prolog is so powerful. You don't tell it how to compute. You describe what is true. And Prolog finds the answers.